Hello, Sean and Mel, GWS. Saturday morning. Just at this job now. Going to clean inside the gutters, all the outside UPVC windows. Just using a telly step with the top supports to get up there. It's going to be using the interceptor for cleaning out the gutters. But using other telly steps as well for reaching up. One of the problems we've got today is on the conservatory there's some bad staining. So we've got various cleaning agents to see if we can remove these. It's not on all the conservatory. It's just on some of it. Mel's just starting on the ledges. Mel's just using the Everbuild UPVC cleaner with a walnut pad. Mel normally goes around this first.
It's a copper pad.
Oh, this one's the not the walnut. This one's the copper pad. Both the same sort of thing anyway. They both do as good as one another. Right, on the conservatory, I've just tried one of the magic pads. What you get, you can get them from any sort of like B&M or somewhere. And I've tried it with some of the rub out. It's cleaning that up, but some of these rusty marks, I'll try and get in a bit nearer for you so you can see. So we'll try something else now and see how that goes. We've managed to get rid of most of the stains. We've tried loads of different products what we've got to do it. Does look loads better though now. Finished doing the cleaning now. All clean as best as possible. As many yellow stains off as what we could get.